Take two. We're trying to get 6 minutes. So this is section 1.5, solving equations, and my name is Walker Passons. I'll be the narrator for today. Hamilton and Alex are my partners. So we're on key terms. Key terms: equivalent equation. Then we have linear equation, and then we have the quadratic formula, and our last key term is factoring. Okay, so now we're on equivalent equations. Example of that, the definition of that is two equations with exactly the same solution. So yeah. Linear equation is an equation in which each term is either a constant or a non-zero multiple of the variable. Slow down. Hold on a minute. Okay. Quadratic formula. Definition is it's used to solve a quadratic equation. Little variables up there. It's ax. The formula is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now we're on factoring. The definition of factoring is finding what to multiply in order to get an expression. And factoring is my favorite way to solve problems because I like it. Example 1. And what's this example of, Alex?
Linear equations.
Okay, this is example 1 of a linear equation. So the problem is 7x minus 4 equals 3x plus 8. And we're going to want to get rid of that 4, so we're going to add 4 to that side. And then we're going to add 4 to the other side. And then we're going to get 7x equals 3x plus 12. Then we're going to want to get rid of that 3x right there. So we're going to subtract the 3x on both sides. And we'll end up with 4x equals 12. And you gotta divide 12 by 4 or 4 by 12. How you say that? You divide each side by 4. And 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So you got x equals 3. To use factoring to solve equations, our problem is going to be 2x squared equals 8. Then you're going to want to get 0 on one side, so you got to subtract the 8. So it'll be 2x2 minus 8 equals 0. Then you're gonna want to factor it. You're gonna factor it, so you'll get 2 sets of parentheses, and then you're gonna want to put I just draw. You can draw. So 2x minus 4 in parentheses, and then you got x plus 2 in parentheses, and it's equal to 0. And then what happens now? How'd you get that? Alex, you gotta speak.
I'm just gonna do this real quick. So then you said each side equal to 0.
Hey, we only have 15. It's over. We only have 15. Okay, we're moving on from this problem because we don't know where we left off. So just go to the next one. Okay. You can also use the quadratic formula to solve problems. Right now we got x minus 4 in parentheses to the second power, and it's equal to 5. So, God dang, I don't know how to do this one. You gotta do it. Just start right there.
And then you divide each side. So you take the square root of each side, and you get x minus 4 equals plus or minus the square root of 5. And then you add 4 to each side to get the x alone. You get x equals 4 plus or minus square root of 5. So that means the final answer is x equals 4 plus the square root of 5, or x equals 4 minus the square root of 5.
Alright, that was Alex. So other examples, let's say right now it goes x to the second power plus 5x minus 6 equals 0. You're going to want to factor that, and you'll get two parentheses, and in your first set of parentheses you'll get x minus 1. Second set you'll get x plus 6, and it's going to be equal to 0. Then you're going to want to get each parentheses equal to 0, so then you're going to get x minus 1 equals 0. Then you're just going to do a little plus 1 on each side. You get x equals 1. Then you're going to do x plus 6 equals 0. You're going to do minus 6 and on each side. You're going to get x equals minus 6. Negative 6, yeah. Then we're on slide 11. We don't have slide 11, so I'm going to go back. And but yep, that's 6 minutes. Okay, we're done. I'm going to stop it. Just like to thank all of y'all for watching. Y'all great.
Y'all great for work.